Hi, it's Luke from Luke Tech. Today we're comparing a £30 toy drone to a £3,000 professional drone. So today what we're going to do is we're going to put the drones through their paces with lots of different challenges, such as the chicken lift, a height test, a speed test, and how much of a nuisance it is to travel with. In addition, we'll be covering lots of other facts so you know what drone is best for you. Why don't we give it an assisted lift? It won't take off. When it crashed, the batteries basically, the cables have all come undone. Oh God. It's dead. First test and it's already broken. Hi, it's Luke again. We've just arrived in Blackheath in Surrey to do our final drone tests. This is now the height test with a cheap £30 drone. Which was the biggest problem with a drone like this, is it has no battery. It's just died now, so I guess that's the end of the test now. So to conclude, this is a great beginner's drone due to it being inexpensive and really robust. But if you want something professional, the Inspire is a must-have. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and to like this video.